Spoken English. Daily use short sentences. କିଛି ହେବନି. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଜନା କର. Make a plan. Make a plan. ତାକୁ କମ୍ ବୋଲି ଭାବନି. Don't underestimate him. Don't underestimate him. ପାଗଳ ହୁଅନି. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. ଶୀଘ୍ର ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହୋଇଯାଅ. Get ready soon. Get ready soon. ମିଶିକି ସବୁ କେତେ? How much all together? How much all together? ଏବେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହୁଅ. Talk to him now. Talk to him now. 2 ସପ୍ତାହ ପାଇଁ. For 2 weeks. For 2 weeks. ସେ କହୁଛି. He is speaking. He is speaking. ମୁଁ ଖରାପ ଭାବେନି. I don't mind. I don't mind. ମୁଁ ଆମିଷ ଖାଏନି. I don't eat non-veg. I don't eat non-veg. ମୁଁ ପିଏନି. I don't drink. I don't drink. ମୋତେ ସେମିତି ଲାଗେ. I think so. I think so. ଘରେ ରୁହ. Stay at home. Stay at home. ପୋଲିସକୁ ଡାକ. Call the police. Call the police. କେଉଁଟା ନେବାର ଅଛି? Which to take? Which to take? କିଛି ବି ନୁହଁ. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. ଆମ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ? What about us? What about us? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିଥିଲି. I told you. I told you. ଠିକ୍ ସମୟରେ ଆସିଯାଅ. Come on time. Come on time. ମୁଁ ଆଶା କରେ ନାହିଁ. I don't expect. I don't expect. ତୁମ ଫୋନ୍ ଦିଅ. Give your phone. Give your phone. ପାଣି ଗରମ କରିଦିଅ. Heat the water. Heat the water. ହାତ ଯୋଡ଼. Join your hands. Join your hands. ଏହି ଜାଗା ଛାଡ଼. Leave this place. Leave this place. ଏହାକୁ ଜାରି ରଖ. Keep it up. Keep it up. ତୁମର କାମ କର. Do your work. Do your work. ଏହା ତୁମେ ନିଜେ କର. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. ଏହା ଏବେ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚାର ବିଷୟ. Now it's in talk. Now it's in talk. ମୋର ଅପମାନ କରିବା ବନ୍ଦ କର. Stop insulting me. Stop insulting me. यह मोर नुहे इट्स नॉट माइन इट्स नॉट माइन यह को लिखि नियो राइट इट डाउन बाहाना करनी डोंट मेक एक्सक्यूजेस मोते निद लगुछि आई एम फीलिंग स्लीपी से असुविधार अछि ही इज इन ट्रबल यह भल कि इज इट गुड मोर आशा नहीं यार इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन आपण कमेंट लिखि जणांतु आउ किछि सेंटेंस देखि नेबा यह करनी डोंट डू दिस संपर्क रे रुह कीप इन टच ध्यान रे रख बा मन रे रख कीप इन माइंड तांकु छाड़ी दियो लीव हर तांकु जीवाकु दियो लेट हर गो से प्राय समय रे मिछ कुहे he often lies तुमे सेठी अच्छ कि आर यू देयर कौन देखिबा what to see मु भाग नेबी I will participate तांको भीतर को आनो bring him in मु नाची पारिबिनी I can't dance मु एइठारे अछि I am right here तुरंत भेट meet immediately एबे एहार पुष्टि कर confirm it now that's it ये थला किछि डेली यूज शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस so please like the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you and take care.